Hello everyone, today we will learn definition of accounting cycle, meaning of accounting cycle, steps of accounting cycle and users of accounting information. Now we will see meaning of accounting cycle. An accounting cycle is a complete sequence of accounting process that begins with the recording of business transaction and ends with the preparation of final account. Now we will see steps in accounting cycle. Number 1, identifying and analyzing transactions. Number 2, journalizing journal entries for transaction. Then post journal to ledger. Preparation of unadjusted trial balance. Then prepare worksheet. Recording adjustment entries. Adjusted trial balance. Preparation of final statements, closing entries and post closing trial balance. This is full steps while we are recording the transactions from journal till the end of the preparation of final accounts. Now we will see what is accounting cycle. When a businessman starts his business activities, he records the day-to-day transactions in the journal. From the journal, the transaction moves further to the ledger where accounts are written. Here, the combined record of both debit and credit pertaining to each account is arrived at in the form of balances. Accounting cycle. To prove accuracy of work done, these balances are transferred to the statement called trial balance. Preparation of trading and profit and loss account is the next step after the preparation of trial balance. The balancing of profit and loss account gives the net results of the business transactions. To know the financial position of business concern, balance sheet is prepared at the end of the year. These transactions which have completed the current accounting year once again come to the starting point, the journal, and they move to the new transaction of the next year. Thus, this cycle movement of transaction through books of accounts is a continuous process. Users of accounting information. Accounting information is useful for the various users, that is owners, management, employees and trade unions, creditors, bank and lending institutions, present investor, potential investors, government and tax authorities, regulatory agencies and researchers. The main objective of accounting is to provide information which is useful for persons and groups inside and outside the organization. Internal users. Internal users are those individuals or groups who are within the organization, like owners, management of the organization, employees and trade unions. External users of accounting information are those individuals which are outside to the organization, that is creditors, investors, banks and other lending institutions, present and potential investors, government, tax authorities, regulatory agencies and researchers. Users of accounting information. Users, and it is divided in two parts, users of accounting information and need for information. First we will see internal users of accounting information. Owners. Owners is interested to know the profitability and the financial soundness of his business. Management, to make prompt decision to manage the business efficiency. Employees and trade unions to form judgment about the earning capacity of the business, since their remuneration and bonus depends on it. Now we will see external users of accounting information. Creditors, banks and other lending institutions, to determine the principal and the interest thereof will be paid in when due. Present investors, To know the position and progress and prosperity of the business in order to ensure safety to their investment. Potential investors to decide whether to invest in business or not. Government and tax authorities to know the earning in order to assess the tax liabilities of the business. Regulatory agencies to evaluate the business operation under the regulatory legislation. Researchers to use in their research work. Now let's summarize what we have learned. Meaning of accounting cycle, steps in accounting cycle, definition of accounting cycle, and users of accounting information. Now this is the end part of our video lecture. Now let's end with a simple quote. Happiness can be found in the darkest of time. Turn on the light.